How to fix Prime Video stuck on loading screen. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a couple fixes that can hopefully solve your problem. So first thing first, you have to check your internet connection. You can go ahead, launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in my internet speed and then simply run speed test. Now, once it is so, if this solves your problem, that's even better. But if it's still loading on screen, then simply go ahead, launch a new browser, type in Down Detector. At times, Amazon Prime's server might be down, so you have to click on Down Detector and see if you find any defect with the server. And it says that user reports indicate no current problems at Amazon Prime Video, meaning the server is not down. So let's move on to our next fix. You have to clear the cache of your Amazon Prime. For that, click on three-dot icon, scroll below, click on Settings. You click on Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. And here it will show you your browsing history. Check all these if you would like. If not, you can just click on this browsing history and then make sure that all time is selected and delete data. After you delete your data, you will need to re-log into your Amazon Prime account with your correct credentials. Now see if all these fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then the last thing you can try is restart your device. At times when your computer has been up for too long, it will cause many errors. So make sure that you restart your computer and this shall hopefully work. Thank you for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.